Hey guys, this is Jerry, welcome to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to change your car key battery on your Haval vehicles. This applies to the Haval H6 and Haval Jolion. What you need, of course, a small flat screwdriver or something that's sharp will allow you to open it. And another thing, you need the battery. On this particular size, the battery is CR2032. You want to open it and check your battery, just make sure you got the right battery. First thing, you want to go to the back case and push this down to open the cover, just like that. Now you have a mechanical key, leave it aside. You want to push the screwdriver in so you can pinch this open. So give it a little bit force, just like that. That's loosed. Now we can open this cover. On one side of the cover, that's all electronics. You do not want to do anything to it. On the other side, that's your car key battery. And to open it, just give it a small push. You can open the car key battery. Just to make sure, the one with the letters and plus, it's to the bottom. The one with nothing, that means it's minus. That goes on the other side. Now we have got the new battery. Now just push the battery inside the key case and make sure the plus is underneath. So now that's sitting flush. It's all done. Once it's all done, go to the two cover. Simply just push them to close. They'll find each other. And that's all done. And push the mechanical key back inside. Everything is all done. You should now use the key as normal again. If you found this video helpful, the best way to support the channel is to subscribe and like. I will see you in the next video. Thank you very much.